how to fix uh, the build of Vanguard problem isn't quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here edit group, and here's it, open it, and now once you're here, just click here, maximize, and move this one like that, and then go to this one, the last one here, and now go to Windows components, and after that just scroll down until you find BitLocker drive encryption, and here select second one, and now we need to find here require additional authentication at startup. Now just double click on it, you will find it like that. All you need to do, click enable it, and if you find this one like that, just check it and click apply and OK, and that's it. Now just close it and restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.